Your thoughts shape your reality. But what if you could change the way you think with a pencil or a brush? Art isn't just creative, it's transformative. In this video, you'll discover how simple artistic practices can help you break free from negative thought loops and rewire your brain for calm, clarity, and confidence. According to neuroscience, your brain creates habits through repeated thoughts. When you constantly think negatively, your brain wires those patterns stronger. But here's the twist. Neuroplasticity means you can change those patterns. And art is a powerful tool. When you draw or paint with intention, you activate the prefrontal cortex, your center for awareness and decision-making. You start shifting focus from stress to expression. Express. Take a moment and draw how your negative thought feels. Use colors, lines, shapes, no judgment. Observe. Look at what you've created. What patterns or symbols do you notice? Replace. Now draw the opposite. If you drew chaos, sketch calm. If you painted fear, now paint courage. By doing this, you're telling your brain, I have the power to rewrite this story. Why does this work? Because the brain doesn't fully distinguish between real and imagined experience. When you draw positivity, you're rehearsing it neurologically. Over time, this rewiring leads to fewer automatic negative thoughts. It's not about making perfect art. It's about making a new mental pathway. Art is more than expression. It's evolution. Through creativity, you have the power to observe your mind, challenge its patterns, and rewire your emotional response. So next time your thoughts spiral, pick up a pen, not your phone. Draw your darkness, and then color in your light. You are the artist of your thoughts, and the canvas is limitless.